All right, let's look at the homework 3.1, problem number 5. All right, so we want to find the point on the curve where tangent line is horizontal. Right? All right, tangent line is horizontal. What does that mean? It means that, so horizontal means that the slope is going to be 0. So it means that the derivative, which tells you about the slope of the tangent line, and it has to be equal to 0. Right? So all we have to do is take the derivative and set it equal to 0. So derivative y prime is going to be, right, put 3 in front. There's 2 there, so it's going to be 6x and subtract 1 from the power, so it's squared. And 2 times 3, so 6x. And then you have a minus 12. Right? And then we want to set that equal to 0. Right? And first thing I would do is everyone seems to have a factor of 6 in there. So I'm going to factor 6 out. Then you have x squared minus x minus 2. Right? That's equal to 0. All right, then we can factor this guy out. So you have x here, and you have another one, x there. And we have to come up with 2 numbers. Sum is going to be positive 1, and the product is going to be negative 2. So I would say it's going to be plus 2 and a minus 1, right? So that's equal to 0, right? So this means that by setting x plus 2 equal to 0, we can get x equals negative 2. And by setting x minus 1 equal to 0, you can get 1. All right. So it's a smaller than x value, so it's going to be negative 2 is here, and comma, and 1, comma. All right, so we just have to plug in negative 2 and 1 into the original function to find the corresponding y coordinate. So let's try y of negative 2, and that's going to be, all right, so it's a 2 times, right, negative 2 cubed, so it's going to be negative 8, right, and plus 3 times, negative 2 squared would be 4, and a negative 12 times negative 2 plus 5. All right, what's that? So this is going to be negative 16, and this is going to be positive 12. This is going to be minus 24, and then plus 5. All right, so this is going to be, let's see, negative 16. Actually, I'm going to combine this. It's going to be negative 12 there. So it's going to be negative 28. So it's going to be negative 23. All right, so this is negative 23. All right, if you plug in 1, you're going to get, I'm going to get 2 plus 3 minus 12 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 10, it's a negative 2. So you're going to get negative 2. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got the negative 2, comma, that was 23, was it? Forgot, negative 23, all right. So negative 23, and then it's 1, comma, negative 2. All right, so let's submit for testing. All right, I came back and it looks like I messed up a computation. Let's go back. All right, so it's 23. Let's see. So that's negative 16, that's right, and that's going to be 12. Oh, this is going to be plus 24. Sorry about that. So this is plus 24. So that's so this is going to be messed up here. All right. So this is all right. so negative 16 plus 12 is negative 4, so positive 20, so it's actually positive 25. All right, so that was way off here. So it was 25 here. Let's see, 25. All right, so let's type it in. So this was 25 instead of negative 23. All right, so let's check again. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.